Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Technical Sayer Tech. Today's our topic is network. What is a network? A network is a consists of two or more computers that are linked in order to share resources such as printers and CDs, exchange files, or allow electronics communication. The computer on a network may be linked through cables, telephones, and radio wave satellites and many more. Two are very common types of network that are local area network and wide area network. You may also see references to a metropolitan area network, a wireless network, or a wireless WAN network. A local area network is that is confined to relatively small area in generally limited to a geographic area such as a written lab, school or a building. Computers connected to a network are broadly categorized as service as workstations. Services are generally not used by human directly but rather run consistently to provide services to the other computer and their human users on the network. Services provided can include printing and faxing, software hosting, file storage, and sharing message data storage, and relative compute complete control for the networks, resources, and many others. Workstation are called such as because they typically do have human users which interact with the network through them. Workstations are traditionally considered a desktop consisting of a computer, keyboard display, and mouse, or a laptop with the integrated keyboard display and touch. With the advent of the tablet computer and the touch screen devices such as iPad and iPhone, our definition of workstation is quickly evolving to include those devices because of their ability to interact with the network and utilize network services. Servers tend to be more powerful than workstation, although configurations are guided by needs. For example, a group of services might be located in a secure area away from humans and only accessed through the network. In such cases, it would be common for the services to operate without a dedicated display or keyboard. However, the size, speed of the services, processor, hard drive, and main memory might be dramatically to the cost of the system. On the other hand, workstation might be the not need as much storage or working memory might be require an expensive display to accommodate the need of its user. Every computer on a network should be appropriately configured for its use. On a single LAN, computer and server may be connected by cables or wirelessly. Wireless access to a wired network is made possible by wireless access points. These wireless access points devices provide a bridge between computer and network. A typical wireless devices might be the theoretical capacity to connect hundred or even thousand of wireless users to a network, although practical capacity might be far less. What is a wide area network? This is a type of another type of wide area network. Connect network in larger geographic areas such as Florida, the United States, or the world. Dedicated transsonic cabling or satellite uplink may be the use to connect this type of global network. Using a wide area network, school in Florida can communicate with the places like Tokyo in a matter of seconds without paying enormous phone bills to user and half world apart with the workstation equipped with the microphones and webcams might teleconference in a real time. A wide area network is complicated. It uses multiplexer, bridges, and router to connect local and metropolitan network to global communication. Network like the internet to use. However, a wide area network will not appear to be much different than local area network. What is the advantage of wide area network? A school network system. User access control, information storing and sharing, connection services, internet, computing resources. And what is the use? It's the access control. Modern network almost all have one or more server which allow centralized management for user and for network resources to which they have access. User credential on a privately owned and operated network may be as simple as a username and password. But with the increasing attention to computing security issues, these services are critical to ensuring that sensitive information is only available to authorized users. Information storing and sharing. Computer allow to create and manipulate information. Information take a life of its own on a network. The network provide both place to share the information and mechanism share that information with other network user connection. Administrator, instructors, and even student can get be connected using the campus network. Services. The school can provide services such as registration, school directories, course schedule, access to research, and email accounts, and many more. Remember, network services are generally provided by services internet. The school can provide network use with access to the internet via internet giveaway.